If you're wondering how to track your travel carbon footprint, Navan offers an excellent tool for just that. By the end of this video, you'll know how easy it is to monitor and reduce your travel's environmental impact with their platform. Navan is a powerful software that combines corporate travel management with a focus on sustainability. For those of you who want to reduce the environmental impact of your business or personal travels, Navan's carbon tracking tool can help you do just that. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just someone looking to make a more eco-conscious travel choice, Navan has got you covered. What makes Navan stand out in the crowded world of travel management tools is its ability to provide real-time carbon emissions data. It integrates with your travel booking, automatically calculating your carbon footprint for every trip. No more manually searching for carbon metrics for each flight or hotel stay. It's all tracked for you directly in the system. Navan uses data from the flight and hotel bookings to offer an accurate carbon footprint measurement. For flights, they calculate the emissions based on the class of travel, distance, and the aircraft type. When it comes to accommodations, it takes into account the hotel's sustainability practices, giving you insights into the eco-friendly choices you make. This detailed level of insight is critical for anyone serious about tracking and reducing their travel carbon footprint. What I really love about Navan's system is how easy it makes the whole process. Once your travel plans are set up, the software automatically tracks and displays your carbon emissions in a clear, digestible format. It doesn't just stop at tracking though. Navan also provides actionable steps to reduce your carbon footprint. Whether it's choosing a flight with fewer emissions or selecting a more eco-friendly hotel, Navan guides you toward more sustainable choices. And here's the best part, it's completely free to try through the exclusive link in the description below. This is a special offer, so make sure you check it out. You get access to the platform with no strings attached, and you can start tracking your travel carbon footprint right away. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but how can I take it a step further? Navan also allows companies to set sustainability goals and track progress over time, making it an excellent tool for businesses aiming to be more eco-conscious in their travel practices. This can help you not only meet your environmental goals, but also demonstrate your commitment to sustainability to clients, stakeholders, or employees. At the end of the day, Navan makes it easy to take control of your travel carbon footprint. Whether for personal or business use, you can seamlessly track emissions and make smarter travel decisions. Just imagine being able to see, with a glance, the impact your trips are having on the environment and make adjustments as needed. Before we finish, remember to use the link below for an exclusive extended free trial of Navan. This means you can explore all of its features, including the carbon tracking, without any cost or commitment. So if you're ready to start tracking your travel carbon footprint with Navan, don't wait. Click the link below, sign up for your free trial, and start making a real difference today.